5 best side hustles you can do from home in 2022. You've set your financial goals for 2022, and making money and saving money are both at the top of your list of New Year's resolutions. To make your vision a reality, you're ready to hustle or side hustle, you should say, since one of the fastest ways to make more money is by starting an income-building side hustle that you manage in addition to your regular work routine. Before starting, please support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to this channel for future updates. So whether you want to learn easy ways to make money online or are looking for the best side hustle ideas for 2022 that'll help you earn extra cash quickly, these 5 side hustle ideas for 2022 will help you find the best part-job times that fit your already busy schedule. Many side hustle ideas can be done online and from home, others might require you to leave the house. Either way, there are enough ideas below to ensure there is at least one that fits your situation. Number 5. Invest in real estate and create a new passive income stream. A shortage of inventory and rising material costs have resulted in a red-hot housing market. Even with mortgage rates being more volatile than usual, real estate investment is one of the best side hustles when you're strapped for time. My husband and I have talked about investing in real estate since we got married 20 years ago, but we never did, says Amanda Hammett, a leadership development strategist who started investing in real estate as a side hustle. We never had the mental space. Suddenly, I was off the road as a public speaker. I spent 2020 researching real estate and narrowed down a location where we wanted to buy investment properties, she says. Hammett now has 32 properties that collectively generate $50,000 a year, plus all the tax write-offs, in extra cash. Real estate investing can be done by buying individual properties or joining a group that invests in real estate. It can be a side hustle that pays good money while not eating up all your spare time, but it's important to know your numbers before getting started. Number 4. Monetize your home with Airbnb. If you like the idea of real estate investing, but don't want your property to be leased out for years on end, consider listing your property or spare room on Airbnb. Millions of consumers book Airbnbs as an alternative to hotels. As someone who travels full-time, I've booked over 150 Airbnbs in 40 countries. You also don't need to list an entire property for your side hustle to fly on Airbnb. Many people choose to list a portion of their home or even a single spare room, says Michael Marcial, a business consultant. Marcial makes about $10,000 a month in extra money listing the property on Airbnb as a side hustle. A house, part of a house, or even a room can be listed on Airbnb, he says. You may have a side hustle opportunity in the space you already have. Airbnb can also be a great option if you want to stay connected to a part of the world that has special meaning to you. After going through a divorce, I was invited to speak at an event in Jamaica, says Alicia Little, CEO of Monetized Marketing, a company that coaches entrepreneurs. I was in the process of restarting my life. That event was so successful that my sister and I went back to Jamaica for 2 years. Since I was spending so much time in Jamaica, I looked at purchasing a home there. One of the houses I looked at was in rough condition, but the family of Bob Marley owned it. I bought the home, remodeled it, and listed it on Airbnb when I was not staying in it. In the first 3 months, Little's property generated $9,011.33 on Airbnb. It has since brought in $152,000 of extra cash since first being listed in 2017. I have an Airbnb manager who maintains the property in Jamaica, so it's generating passive income for me, she says. Some of the best side hustles are ones in which you treat the work like your own business, step into the role of CEO, and start generating extra money passively. Number 3. Sell a physical product online. Millions of people buy things every day from an online store like Amazon, their favorite retailer, or a small business on social media. According to data from the U.S. Census Bureau, e-commerce sales for 2021 were estimated at $870.8 billion. If you're passionate about a certain industry or want to solve a specific problem, consider producing and selling the product you wish you had. Set up an online store so you can start selling online and bring in extra money each month. Your products don't have to be new. Listing gently used items on social media, eBay, or Facebook. Marketplace groups can be a side hustle that not only brings in more money but also declutters your home. Number 2. Do freelance work. Freelance work is a great side hustle, and companies are almost always looking for skilled labor to help them get things done. A few examples of freelance work include writing articles, social media posts, newsletters, and blogs, managing social media accounts, email lists, digital marketing, and websites on your client's behalf, having a remote, fractional role at a company, where you are not an employee but are available for questions and guidance throughout the month, becoming a virtual assistant and completing tasks on behalf of your client for an hourly rate. If you plan to pitch business owners or companies, you might want to consider creating a business formation. This will allow you to operate as a company, even if it's just you, and doing so will give you tax perks and keep more of your extra income in your pocket at the end of the year. Number 1. Rent out your car when it isn't in use. If you have a vehicle that doesn't get used much, you could rent it out and make extra money. Apps like Turo, HireCar, and Hagerty DriveShare let you list your car for rent in select cities. Think of these services as being like an Airbnb, but with your car. Every time we would travel, we would pick a rental car category and not end up with the car we wanted, says Daniel Vega, a business growth strategist. We switched to using Turo instead. Vega enjoyed his experience as a customer. His family household juggles 5 cars in total. The extra money was so good that Daniel and his family bought 5 more cars and listed them. They made $4,339 in April 2022, an average of over $400 per car per month. If you don't need to use your car all the time, renting your vehicle could be one of your best side hustles for your situation. Let us know what you think about the list in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video, please like the video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.